the giant genie we have here.
Oh, hello, Genie. Can I make a wish? I wish that everything will be okay and safe. All right.
Your wish is my command.
Thank you, Genie. How about the giant peacock on the great tree?
Yes, and also the floating big rock.
Wow. And of course, the Smurfs Village.
Yes, it's so cute to have photos inside the world of Smurfs. I bet you love it there.
I've been there already and it's so Instagrammable, I tell you. Same with our Emirates Airbus A380, the giant teddy bear, the two stallions, and many more.
Yeah, and we are here at the Flower Castle. And we will have a short play in line with our theme right now, the giant genie.
Wow, I'm so
Yeah.
In the land of myth, in a time of magic, the destiny of a kingdom lies in the hands of a boy. His name is Ali. This is the city of Agora, where the business is blooming and the people here are busy making a living. Amidst the joy and the triumph of the city, there's a group of bandits in disguise as royal guards, waiting to siege the said territory. In the middle of the chaos and destruction, the boy Ali rises and draws strength from within to face the new nemesis that threatens the peace of his land.
I am Ali, and here is my friend, the magic carpet. And we swore to save this land from these bandits. Let's go, carpet!
As soon as Ali flies over the city, a mysterious old man came in search for his missing daughter. But suddenly,